Everyone, welcome once again to my channel. The channel name still remain Tech TV. Today we are going to learn how to make money online free by drawing through our money or our crypto wallet. Now, this is about crypto money that you sell into our normal cash. This website here is offering us free money in every day, but this is not as just free. You invest an amount of 120 cedis. That is just as a token. You have to start. That is what you have to use to rent. You are like you want to rent something, and then something will be working for you. So you have already paid. Let's say you are buying it. They are VIPs, so you buy the VIP. I'm encouraging everyone to buy the VIP one because this is very legit. It will take more than a year. You see, website like this, when it comes for the first time, this is a newly website. It take about a year before maybe they run out with people money. So in the next 2 months, you can get all your money and your interest more than how I 3 times of your money you have invested. So for us not to waste time, we have double ways of registration. We have email and phone number. I already registered. I have an account, so I prefer people using the phone number. I registered an account, and when you use the link, just check in the description. There is a link there. It will bring you to a registration form like this. You fill in, just type on this +1. It will show you here. You scroll to where +233 is. If only you are in Ghana. In any country you are, you choose your country code. I'm in Ghana, so if I'm to register again, I'll use Ghana code, which is +233. This one. So you press OK. Now you put on your number, you enter login password and confirm security password. You can use the same password as it, so you confirm. And when you finish, you sign up. So if you want to use the email to the same, you enter your email, your password, and confirm a security password. You can use the same password. After that, you now confirm. When you finish registering, to send it to a place like this. So I'm to log in. So to log in. So now they say login successful. Announcement. The name of this is Magalu Mall. It's a chain rental company operated by a listed company. Magalu Mall service tenant is integrity, safety, and long term. These are some of the things you have to read. So after you finish registration, you receive 50 USDT for sponsorship funds mission. So all you need to do is to also deposit an amount of $10 or $9. So when you finish depositing, when you want to deposit, just type on this deposit. Now this is your USDT address, so you just copy it and go to either Trust Wallet or Binance, and you place it and you deposit. After you finish depositing, your money will come within some short period of time. To come and be in today's balance, it will be 59 cedis. So that 59 cedis, you come here, we have VIP, so we are to rent. We have the VIP one. They said unlock 59 USDT. So when you unlock, you rent this every single day. You get one tax with a profit of $2 USDT, which is $2, and total profit that you can earn is $730 before this VIP will expire. So every day, within 10 days, you have overcome your money that you have deposited. So all you need to do is to deposit, and after you finish depositing, you unlock this, and that very day you go and redeem your 2 CD. And the interest and the sweet part is when you just get your $2 that day, you can withdraw it. So every day you can withdraw your $2 every day. For the sake of anything, let's say you don't want to leave it, maybe the time they'll get it off, you can't get it. So every day you'll be withdrawing your $2. The day you go and the website is no more working, you have already withdrawn your money. So thank you, and you are always welcome. We will bring you more websites like this, and stay stick to our family.